Yo, AutoLand money maker. What's going on, YouTube? Video. At my job, real quick. Just doing a quick cash out video. See how much time I got. Got about 9 minutes here. Quick cash out video. What's going on, boss? What's up with you? I'm doing a video.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. No, that's all good.
What type of video?
I got a YouTube channel where I show people how to make money online.
Oh,
so I'm just doing a cash out video.
How many subscribers you got?
6,592. Trying my best here, man. Trying to get to 1 million, right? One day, right? So this is just a quick video right here, just doing a cash out video for you guys. You can see in my background, I am at work right now. I got about 7 minutes to start working, so I'm just doing this quick cash out video just to show you guys. Just to tell you guys, never rely on one form of income. I have been at my last job for 14 years, and they came to me that day and told me they had to lay me off for making too much money. Can't even finish the day off. Told me to leave that morning. So after 14 years of working there, so never rely on anything. Just keep it pushing. Always look for new ways to create another stream of income. Every stream of income counts. Doesn't matter if you're making $20 a day, $5 a day, you're making $100 a month on one stream of income. It doesn't matter. You just want to get multiple of them and just keep using that and take that money to invest in yourself and create more opportunities for yourself so you can make some more money. Alright, it's going to be a just quick cash out video. Like I said, I only got about 7 minutes left, so I got to go to work. So I'm about to just cash this $5 out on Prize Rebel site right here. Go to my rewards. Like I said, follow me on Instagram at FreeOnlineMoneymaker. I do one-on-one Q&As. I do one-on-one training for anybody who needs help out there. Quick cash out video. Like I said, it's early in the morning, so imagine if I just wait till later tonight, it's going to be some more money. So it's just about how much money do you need on a daily basis. Go and get it and take that money and invest in yourself, invest in your side businesses, buy books, buy courses, just keep learning. Never stop learning. And you will be able to do big things at the end of the month, end of 3 months. I have some subscribers that are just using my system and literally cashing out every 6 months, 8 months. They're the ones that's really taking this big amount of money and really doing something big. Quick cash out right here. Let me go on this other site right here that I have. Refresh this. Like I said, watch my top 10 videos, my top 10 list, my top 5 list. I got so many different tutorials, over 400 videos on my channel. So just take some time, watch a tutorial, study that. Go onto that site, do what you have to do, and you will be able to create a stream of income. But you have to do it every day. You have to be disciplined and do not spend your money on anything that's not going to make you money. Don't spend anything that's not going to make you money, or that you're not going to learn from, or you're not going to be able to build and grow. Alright, got $9.36 in this one. I'm about to cash this one out. The reason I use my system, because once you cash out, you get their money within minutes. You get your money within your PayPal within minutes. So it's all up to you on what you're trying to do. I'm going to go to withdraw right here. Always use instant PayPal. Instant PayPal, it's in your account. Literally in like 10, 15 seconds, it's in your account. Always use instant PayPal. Alright, so far, so that's already $15 cash out so far. Let's see what I got on this other site right here. Like I said, you could do this every single day. Every single day, you can take these different sites, make money online every single day, add it up, and do something big with it. Refresh this, see what I got right here. Ooh. Okay, got $5 and some change on this account right here. I'm gonna convert this points to cash right here. What's good, boss? How you feeling? Good? I'm alright, chilling, bro. Yeah, dude, I was slow motion. Doing a video right now for YouTube right now, you know what I'm saying? Oh, no, I be teaching people how to make money online.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, so I'm cashing out a couple sites right now.
Oh, yeah, I'm about to talk to you
Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, definitely. How's your day yesterday? You was good? Chilling, slow motion.
I bullshit a lot, but I had to get my mind right, things together, so it's turn up nation.
Yeah, it's about to be turn up time, bro. I see you. You putting in that work the other day. I see you.
So let me stop playing traffic. I got almost rushed the other day.
Draw.
Man, same thing every day. Blessed and beautiful. Yeah.
Always use instant PayPal.
Yeah.
Another $5, $20 cash out. Like I said, I'm at work, about to start working in 2 minutes. About to start working in 2 minutes right now. Good morning, Jaylene. How you doing? I'm very good, very good. Very good. Oh, no, chill. Slow motion. I got landscaping business, so I had a couple of houses to do and stuff like that. Yeah, so it's not really a day off. I couldn't really chill as much as I wanted to. But you know, you got to keep grinding. You know how it is. All right. Oh, yeah? Just sitting there. I told you, if we're not here, you're going to kind of be sitting for a little while. Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah? Some people are weird. Yeah, some people are going to be very weird. It's a $20 cash out in this video right here. Like I said, follow me. Hit me up on Free Online Moneymaker. Hit me up on Instagram. DM me. I do one-on-one training, all right? Shout out to my subscribers. Peace. What's going on, Jack?